The great maintenance ripoff. Paul, what is it?
It's terrible, Maddie. So basically, when you give your property manager a property to manage, you'd expect that that property manager would be organising the trades for maintenance that's reported and making sure that you're getting the best possible price out there.
Yeah.
So the great maintenance ripoff is companies now, real estate companies in Cairns, are outsourcing the maintenance to a third-party maintenance company to get the maintenance done, so the property manager doesn't have to deal with it.
Okay, and why do agencies use this then?
Because basically, imagine our property managers probably spend at least 2 or 3 hours a day arranging maintenance, checking that the maintenance is done. It's more profitable if they can outsource it to another company.
Yeah, okay. And so at Sheldon Realty, we definitely do not use this.
Definitely not.
And why are you so strong against using it?
Because these third-party companies are then getting the tradies to add anything between 10 and 20% to the invoices, which is how they make a profit. And that cost is then passed on to the owner of the property that the property manager is being paid to manage. It's an absolute rip-off.
And it's in our interest to look after our owners.
Well, that's what we're paid to do. We're paid a commission to make sure that our owners get the best possible price and service, and these companies are knowingly price gouging your maintenance invoice.